video. Today I'm going to be making enchiladas, and if you want to see how I make this, then just keep watching. Here are my ingredients. I've got some ground beef. I'm gonna use half of an onion. I'm gonna use this Mexican blend because I feel like all these cheeses taste so good in the enchilada. And here is the enchilada sauce that I'm gonna use. I do know how to make my own, but this is just a quick way of showing you guys how we can do quick enchiladas. And I'm gonna season the meat up with some Lorry salt, some Goya, adobo, and some garlic powder. And I've never used this brand of tortillas before, so let's hope that they turn out right. So let's get started. So I've already started cooking my meat. And I'm the type where I like to cook my meat before I throw in my onions and stuff, because I like to drain all of the excess oil before I start putting in my onions. And I just diced my onions like that. I just drained all of my ground beef, and now I'm gonna season. Now I'm gonna put my onion. Gonna use some of my seasoning salt. Garlic powder. Adobo. I'm just gonna add a little water to my bowl, because when you just cook it like this, it gets kind of dry, so you want to add a little bit of water to the ground beef for it to have a little bit of moisture. So if you don't know how much to add, just add a little bit at a time. So I had to add a little bit more seasoning because you guys know I like a lot of flavor. And just adjust to your liking. And I usually like to just cook it until the onion gets soft. Okay, so our next step is we're gonna want to fry our tortilla. Make sure your oil is hot. You don't want to fry them so that they're hard. You just wanna fry them so that they puff up a little bit. It's bubbling. There, that's all you need them to do. Make sure you drain the oil. There's gonna be still some oil left on here, but what I do at the end is I take some tissue and I blot it. So you're just gonna want to do this to all your tortillas, however many that you're gonna make. You just wanna softly fry them a little bit. That's it. Drain it. Transfer it over. Okay? Just repeat until you get as many tortillas as you want to make. So this is the sauce, and I already opened it, and this is how I have things assembled. You have to have everything assembled like this so that you get ready. So you want to pour some of your sauce into the pan. So you don't want your enchiladas to stick to the bottom. I'm just going to move it around. Get a spoon. A little bit more. tortilla. Dip it. Okay, we're gonna grab some of your meat here. Some meat. Some cheese. You're gonna roll it. And you're gonna put it face flat down. Let me show you guys one more time, okay? Dip it. Meat. Cheese. And face it down. 3 trays out of the beef that I got. And remember, I only used 2 cans of enchiladas. So this is just what I'm gonna do to the rest of my enchiladas. So just wanna pour it on there. And you know what? I like my enchiladas to be saucy, so I'm gonna open up my other can and pour some on this one. So I just poked a little side like this because I'm gonna save the other sauce in the refrigerator, so I don't want to waste it. Make sure you cover everything, because who doesn't like salsa enchiladas? Okay, then what I'm gonna do now is just take my cheese and put it all on my enchiladas. Yummy. My family likes theirs really cheesy. This is a lot of enchiladas, yes I know, but I'm packing some away. Not away, I'm packing some for friends and family. When it comes to food, I'm always a giver. Okay, so right now everything's already cooked. So what you want to do is just preheat your oven to 350 degrees and wait until the cheese melts. And once the cheese melts, then they're all done. So here are my enchiladas. They are so cheesy and they look so yummy. My enchilada. Look it. I'm gonna open it up. Mmm, yummy. Y'all know I have to have it with some rice. Excuse my dog, you guys. I'm gonna have the first bite. Mmm. Exactly how I like it. Cheesy, saucy. Yum. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yummy. So good. Mmm. This is absolutely delicious. I haven't had enchiladas in a long time. So guys, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Go on and give me a big like and share. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.